snow will continue to cause dangerous conditions and will be a threat to life and property. Travel is impossible. Visibility will be reduced to near zero at times in whiteout conditions through tonight. Winds north 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Temperatures in the mid-20s. Wind chills around 10 degrees. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Prepare for the possibility of power outages during snowy and cold conditions. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery and Prince George's, and the following counties in Virginia, Arlington, Falls Church and Alexandria, Eastern Loudoun, Fairfax and Western Loudoun. Blizzard warning remains in effect until 6 a.m. Sunday. Hazard types: heavy snow and blowing snow. Snow accumulations: 18 to 24 inches east of Interstate 95, 24 to 28 inches west. Timing: heavy snow through this evening. Blowing snow into Sunday.